Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own custom expense category on the AndroMoney expense tracking app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney application on your smartphone. And if you have set up a password for your account, go ahead and type it in and then press on the OK button. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, if you wish to add your own custom category for your expenses, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on Category, and now this will show you various different categories of expense, income, as well as transfers. Go ahead and choose the expense category, and now you will see all of the different categories that have been created within the application by default. In order to add your own, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner, and now you can name your own category. Once you have entered your category and chosen the icon that you would like to add as well, you can press the OK button, and now your expense category has been added right away. You can tap on this to go into the subcategory menu, and now you can add a subcategory as well. Now once you have chosen both your category and added your subcategory, every time you make your expense transaction, you will find the category menu where you can tap on the currently selected one, and you will now find your category that you have added as well. You can tap on it and also find the subcategory. You may also add categories and subcategories at any time while you are recording your transactions as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your own expense transaction on the AndroMoney application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.